Welcome back. Now, if you're planning to study in the UK, you may want to plan a little in advance and keeping the immigration law changes in mind, because now you have the Home Secretary of the UK government, which has said in a very clear warning that now the immigration will also target those who are planning to study in the UK. The move is likely to make it tougher for British firms also to hire professionals from countries like India. Home Secretary Amber Rudd said in Birmingham conference that leaving the EU is just one part of the strategy. Her government will be looking at range of options to cut immigration, including work and study routes. So this will directly hit the Indian students who are planning to fly to the UK and study. Now, UK is one of the favored destinations for the Indian students. There are many number of Indian students who go to the UK, although the number has come down in the past 1 year to about a 10% dip. Removal of post-study work visa route will be a major off-putting factor for the students who are planning to go to the UK. Now, interestingly, from 18,500 in 2010 and 11, the number fell to about 10,235 in 2012 and 13. This is even before a crackdown had begun, because there were already rumblings going on to ensure that immigration laws are tougher. But after Brexit, now UK is looking at tougher laws against the students who are opting the study routes and then going to work in the UK. Now, we have in the newsroom with us Prathamesh, who did go to the UK, and it was a golden period, I think, Prathamesh, that you went in, because now there are tougher immigration rules that have been planned.
Yeah, absolutely. About 3 to 4 years back, along with the student visa, there were also job visas which were provided. But now, what I hear, a year after, there is only student visa available, which means students who go there to study can study there, can stay there for maybe 6 more months, but they won't be applicable to apply for jobs.
No, but Prathamesh, how long could you have worked in the UK if it was the older rule and if you're going by that after you studied?
Approximately 2 years of visa was given. So I mean, after completion of degree, you have 2 years to look out for jobs and to apply at various organizations which are over there. But now, because there's only student visa available, the only option is to return after the studies are completed.
Absolutely, it's a major deterrent for all the students who are planning to study and then stay afterwards, as the immigration rules are set to be revised. Moving on now to the other big story. After the Apple iPhone 7, it's Google that has launched a new range of smartphones. This is a series of Pixel and Pixel XL that was launched by Google, and it will start pre-booking in India as early as 13th of October. Apparently, it is Google's new hardware push, an attempt to take on the Apple. It is the company's latest effort to sell consumers on branded devices with hardware and software both made by Google. Alphabet Inc. Google's also announced a Daydream View virtual reality headset, which will be available from November. So that's interesting bit with the blue, black and silver. Smartphone users can bet on Pixel's camera as the best available feature. Google has sold another line of phones called Nexus since 2010, but the device gained little traction in a market dominated by Samsung Electronics. So let me take you through what you could look out for in Google Pixel. You have a 5-inch and a 5.5-inch screen on Google Pixel that you could look out for. This is a model of phone which will be available in India in the second week of October. In black and silver color options is what you get. Aerospace grade aluminium unibody, 12 MP camera with 1.5 micron pixel size, high definition. Display is also there. Built-in Google Assistant. Now that's a new feature, because you'll have an assistant pop up as you access the phone. This is also to counter the Siri popularity of Apple. Unlimited Google Photo storage, which is also a boost for the users and supporters. Supports quick charging facility, and the price range, we'll have to wait and watch whether it'll be competitive with iPhone 7 or not. So that's another offering for the consumers this Diwali season. We take a very short break, but stay with us also.